Let's make vegan crazy puffs. Starting with the pizza crust mix of your choice, then you're going to split your dough into 6 pieces. Then you're going to grease a muffin tin and then press your dough into each mold. You can also use pre-made dough for this recipe. Then melt 2 tablespoons of plant butter, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and a half teaspoon of oregano. And this is what it should look like, and you just give it a mix. Then you're going to generously baste your dough with the garlic butter. Next, you're going to add your shredded mozzarella cheese. Then you're going to add in about a tablespoon of marinara sauce. Next, add in your plant-based pepperoni. This is by the brand Field Roast, and I'm adding in about 4 slices. Now we're going to top our pepperoni off with more shredded mozzarella. And finally, we're going to top it all off with more of our garlic butter. I also added a bit more of oregano. Now we are oven ready. We're going to bake on a preheated oven of 475 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And this is what they look like straight out of the oven. That Violife cheese melted to perfection. I served these to vegans and non-vegans, and they were a hit with everyone. I think on the next batch, I'm going to try a plant-based sausage. Field Roast has an Italian garlic and fennel that would be perfect in this. And of course, this is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. And please let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.